Malwarebytes Browser Guard provides a safer and faster web browsing experience by blocking ads, third-party trackers, and websites suspected of compromising your online safety. Here is how to install Browser Guard on Mozilla Firefox. Open Firefox extensions. Search for Malwarebytes Browser Guard. Click on Browser Guard. Click Add to Firefox. In the Add Malwarebytes Browser Guard pop-up, click Add Extension. A pop-up box appears, indicating Browser Guard was added to Firefox. To keep the Browser Guard icon pinned to the address bar, click the Extension button. Then the Settings cog. Choose Pin to Toolbar. The Malwarebytes logo appears to the right of your Firefox browser search bar. Browser Guard immediately begins to provide added security while you browse online.